Hello and welcome to Crypto Bible News. My name is Elroy Welsh and I'll be delivering your news today. Today we're going to look at what's happening with Bitcoin, what's happening with the overall cryptocurrency market, looking at everything that's going on as towards crypto and how it's being affected by the war with Russia and Ukraine. Before we go into the video, please give me a like, subscribe to the channel, and make sure you click that notification bell so that you don't miss any other episodes from us. Right, we're going to get into the first article here. And on the very first article, we are looking at it's titled Crypto Crash. Market now brace for a game-changing White House executive order as price of Bitcoin and Ethereum collapse. So it says here, Bitcoin and cryptocurrency prices have crashed over the past week with around $1.4 trillion wiped from the combined crypto market and sparking warnings of a new crypto winter. The Bitcoin price dropped under $33,000 per Bitcoin this week, down more than 50% from its November peak. Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency by value, has crashed to $2,300 per Ether, down from almost 5,000 late last year. Now reports have emerged that the White House is gearing up to issue a cryptocurrency executive order, with President Joe Biden reportedly set to ask federal agencies to determine crypto risks and opportunities. Now, I think that's going to be quite interesting, to be honest, to see, like, what is this executive order going to look like exactly? What are they, what will the president be talking about, and what will they define as what's going to be a risk or a good opportunity for investments in crypto? Right. So going in, the executive order, which could be signed by Biden as soon as next month, would put the White House at the center of Washington's efforts to deal with cryptocurrencies. The executive order is expected to outline economic, regulatory, and national security challenges posed by cryptocurrencies that would call for reports from various agencies due in the second half of 2022, potentially looking at the systemic risks of cryptocurrencies and their illicit uses. So obviously this could be quite a good thing. But at the same time, who knows if it's going to be good or bad. It could be good on the side where, it's making sure that people aren't being frauded, and some of these other cryptos that are coming up that people are just doing it to rug pull people are not, able to be set up as well as they have been. But who knows? We don't know what's going to happen yet. So the US President Biden is readying an executive order that will outline the comprehensive government strategy around cryptocurrencies and will ask federal agencies to determine their risk and opportunities. Analysts at digital asset market maker GSR wrote in a market update warning that Bitcoin and Ethereum's weak performance has been attributed to the general sell-off in risk and assets. Other items causing investor concern include rising inflation and central bank policy accommodation removal, mounting speculation that Russia may invade Ukraine, Omicron worries, and supply chain disruptions. So yeah, I mean, there's a lot of things there that you can see is really making people a bit worried, and they're obviously selling their cryptocurrencies as well. And I think also just with the fact that there's more governments getting into it, talking about it now. I know crypto was meant to be a space where it was decentralized, and now it seems like there's loads of different people getting players in the game now, and it's becoming less and less decentralized. So I feel like that could be another thing that is making people worry. Government agencies and regulators have been struggling to get a handle on the fast-growing crypto market over the last year. Last year, SEC Chair Gary Gensler called on Congress to give the agency more authority to better police cryptocurrency trading. Crypto is rife with fraud, scams, and abuse in certain applications, Glenser said in August. We need additional congressional authorities to prevent transactions, products, and platforms from falling between regulatory cracks. All right, so that's one article there that we've got, like kind of explaining what's going on with Bitcoin at the moment. And you can see from there, they're just saying that there's so many things that, you know, people are worried about. People are worried about the fact that, you know, inflation's rising. People are worried about the war with Russia and Ukraine, and that's the next bit that we're actually gonna go into, because we've got another article here that's looking exactly at that point. So, and just seeing how it's affecting what's going on with the market at the moment. So I'll pull this one up. So this one's titled Bitcoin crashes 9% as missiles strike Kiev airport captured. So it says in the subheading, the world's largest cryptocurrency by market value was trading about $34,725 at the time of writing, after passing $39,000 on Tuesday. Markets in Asia are also down during trading day as scale of war expands. The price of Bitcoin continued to fall as global markets reacted with the alarm to expanding scale of war in Ukraine as missiles continue to rain down on its capital city in Kiev, and its airport was captured by airborne troops. Bitcoin was down 9% to $34,555 as the time of this writing. Russian President Vladimir Putin called on Ukraine forces to surrender and warned the US and NATO from getting involved. Anyone who tries to interfere with us, or even more so, to create threats for our country and our people, must know that Russia's response will be immediate and will lead you to such consequences as you have never before experienced in your history, Putin said. We are ready for any turn of events. The US and its allies are expected to hit Russia with a broad sanction package in the coming hours. These sanctions are expected to target Russian banks, Putin's cabinet, and circle of business associates, but are not expected to cut Russia off from the global financial system. Russia's former prime minister has previously said that disconnecting Russia from SWIFT would be a declaration of war. However, presidential spokesman Dmitry Peskov has backed down from language calling and a potential disconnecting a serious threat in response to a non-binding resolution passed by the European Parliament in April that called on Russia's expulsion from SWIFT should an invasion take place. Russia has pushed ahead with the development of a central digital currency as an apparent contingency should it lose access to SWIFT. With Asia, market reaction was cautious, but major stock indices on the continent are in the red. So yeah, pretty much we can see that this is really affecting the crypto market, not only the crypto market as well, just like people who are trading in general. If you're doing forex trading, it's affecting pretty much everything at the moment. So let us know what you think. Drop a comment down below. Let us know what you think about these articles and how they're actually affecting the market. And let us know what you think the future of the market is. Is it going to be, you know, are we heading for more of a downward trend? Are we going to see Bitcoin keep going lower and lower and lower at the moment? Or do you think it's going to bounce back? Let us know in the comments. But as always, if you've enjoyed the video, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and click that notification bell. Thank you for now, and check out our other videos, because we've got quite a lot of different news. We've got interviews with people as well, with experts in the market giving their take. We've got a little bit of technical analysis in Oliver and Elliot's market review. So check it out. Check out all the other bits in the channel, and thank you for sticking around. Thank you.